Alright, so over the years, because it has been years since I've gone through these, I have somehow managed to accumulate not only this, but a giant other bag and a ton of little like travel size products, samples products, just things that I kind of go through when I'm deciding what to bring traveling. So I figured it was time to declutter these. A ton of them are expired. A lot of it I just know I'm never going to use, and anything that I don't use that's not expired I'm going to be donating to Project Beauty Share. They do accept any like hotel samples, any kind of mini products, Sephora samples, but I just want to have a lot less so I can actually see what I have and then use them when I'm traveling. Right now I kind of just like use the same things because I didn't even know what I had. Actually last night went through there and went through like 4 of my travel bags and pulled all of the stuff out from there. So they weren't even in a bin before, they were in like a ton of different makeup bags and stuff, just scattered all over the place. We're gonna go through this stuff today. If you're excited for this video and you enjoy declutters, you can give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out the Makeup Burritos Coffee and YouTube sweatshirt, I will have that linked down below too. I love seeing you guys wearing them whenever you show me on Snapchat or Twitter. But I have a few other recent declutters. I did a blush bronzer highlight declutter and an eyeshadow palette declutter, so I'll have those down below. But let's go get rid of some stuff. Alright, so I have this thing and I also have an entire Ziploc baggie full here of travel size things, deluxe size samples, mini makeup, whatever it is. Everything that I keep is gonna fit back in this little container. So first thing, I actually just bought this. This is the Somerville Hydrating Cleanser. This is what I use every single day. I just wanted to get this bottle to travel with so I would know what it was and everything, but I'm just gonna keep refilling this. So I'm definitely keeping this. I love the CC conditioner. These are actually good to keep for traveling because of the size. I feel like I rarely wash my hair when I'm traveling because I'm usually gone for like less than a week, and on my hair I'll just like bring dry shampoo. So I think I'm actually going to put this in my shower so that I just use it up. This is the CeraVe Skin Renewing Cream. This is what I used when I was on Accutane. I don't really use this anymore, but I'm almost out of it. So I'm just going to put this back in my normal skincare cabinet so that I can use this up, because the jar is small, but it's not like super small for traveling, so I can bring like a smaller lotion, face lotion kind of container. This I also just bought because I thought I didn't have any body lotion. Definitely was false. Like I said, I pulled a lot of this stuff from like multiple bags, so I didn't even know I had some of this stuff. If I did, I wouldn't have bought a new thing of lotion, but keeping that because I just bought that. Speaking of lotion, we have this Aveeno body lotion that I'm gonna save. I'm gonna bring this in my next one so I can use this up first since it's like a smaller bottle. I have a lot of like small size perfumes. I don't know where I'm going to put these. Maybe I'll put these in like a separate little container. So any of my perfumes, like this one is a Scentbird. I love bringing Scentbird to travel. Oh, this one's empty. Okay, that's going in the empties pile. This Drunk Elephant Sea Ferment, these expire pretty quickly, and I don't know how long I've had this one, so I'm going to trash that. What is this? This is the Honest Beauty Conditioner. I'm going to donate this. I just feel like I'm not going to use this. Lip Smart. Probably not going to use that. This is an Origins face mask, I think. Ginger Kombucha. I'm going to get rid of that. The Redken Diamond Oil is really nice, so I'm going to keep that, and I like how you can twist this one to lock it, so it's good for traveling. It's not going to like leak. Another Redken Pillow Proof Blowout. This I also have the full size of, and I feel like it actually makes your hair dry faster. I'm gonna move this out of the frame for a second. Somehow, it's magic, but I'm gonna keep that because I will use that. Sample size of something. Probably not gonna use this. I'm gonna donate that. Another one of the Origins masks I'm gonna donate. We have a Baby Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Could definitely use that. Okay, this is super expired. I literally think this is probably like 10 years old. I'm not exaggerating. So that's going in the trash. We have an Olay body wash. Love this body wash. I also use the full size of this, but this one, it feels like it's almost empty, so I'm going to bring it on my next trip so I can just use it up. I used this on my last trip. I brought it the Alterna CC Moisture Cream. It says 10-in-1 leave-in cream. It was okay. I'm not a big fan of the scent. It smelled kind of like lemony or something. I didn't find that it was like magical on my hair or anything, so I'm going to donate that one. Okay, this looks like it's almost empty. This is a MAC Fix Plus mini bottle. I don't know if you can reload this. I don't think so. Let me know if I'm wrong, but I'm going to keep it for now because I still have a little bit left. Again, I'll bring that on my next trip and use it up. We have a Maybelline Make It Last. This is a mini size, but I'm not sure how I feel about the setting spray, so I'm going to put this in my to try pile, and then I'll decide if I want to keep it or not. Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. I'm going to try this. I actually don't think I've tried this. This is a small size of the Murad Hydrodynamic. I actually think I have a different moisturizer in here. I think I kind of like refilled this. By the scent, I can't figure out which moisturizer is in here, but I think this is the one that I've been kind of like refilling, this container, so I'm gonna keep that because that's like a recent thing. Skin Purifying Mask. This is definitely expired from Proactive. This is a newer one, so I'm going to keep this, the Drunk Elephant TLC. I will use that. Brought that with me on all my recent trips. This one is Velvet Commodity. This smells so good, so I'm going to put that in the perfume pile. Active Moist. What the heck is this? It's just a moisturizer. I don't know how old this is. Okay, another thing I used while I was on Accutane that's almost out, that again I just need to like use up, so I'm gonna keep that but try and use it up soon. Here's another conditioner from a hair dye packet that I will put in my shower to use up. This is definitely really old, like 4 years old probably. This is the Soap and Glory Vitamin C Facial Wash. What is this? Coconut Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Ooh, priming thing. Okay, we're gonna keep that. So far we're doing good, I think. Oh god, gross. This is like a mouthwash from some hotel. Primer water spray that looks like it is almost empty, so I'll keep that. I love the primer water by Smashbox. This I feel like I'm just not going to use. It's a makeup remover from Dior. This is probably like one of the deluxe samples. I don't know why my hand looks purple over here. Oh, heck yeah. This is the travel size of my Fresh Seaberry Cleansing Oil. Love this. It's one of my favorite ones. Here's a hair clip. This is the Lemare Soft Cream. This has mineral oil in it. I feel like I should use it up because it's Lemare and it's almost like half gone, but I'm not a big fan. Actually, this is a really cute little size, so I'm probably just gonna refill this with something else. I might have already done that. Okay, then we have 5 perfumes. I love Black Opium by YSL. I haven't bought the full size of it, but I have so many of the travel ones, I don't really need to. Also love the Elizabeth and James Nirvana Black and White. Here's a juicy one. So I'm gonna put this in the perfume travel pile. Looks like for some reason I recently bought these shampoos and conditioners, so I'm gonna keep those. And then here's a baby size of the All Nighter that is almost empty, if not empty. Let's see if we can get any more out. Okay, it still feels like it has a little bit left, so again, I'll use that one up. Actually, I'm gonna put this in my like overnight bag. And then we have a couple travel sizes. This is the Milk. I'm not gonna use that. Samples. And then Estee Lauder Night Repair. This is very old. Okay, so now let me empty out this plastic bag into here. What the heck is this? Oh, these were those things from the Wish video. Who remembers that gem of a video? These were like weird products from Wish. These are makeup remover pads. I'm gonna donate these. I feel like I will never use those, especially at that amount. This is so old. It's actually like, I think, evaporated inside here or something. Wow, I didn't even know that could happen. But this is like a super old self-tanner. This is kind of gross. Murad Acne Body Wash. I'm going to donate because I don't typically get body acne anymore after being on Accutane. Another acne cleanser from Murad. I'm going to donate that one. Kate Somerville Exfoliate. This is almost, feels like it's like half empty. So I'm going to keep that so I can bring it as like a travel exfoliator. A hairspray by Veda. I don't remember what I think of this. Let me smell this. Oh, that smells not great. Ooh, that smells pretty bad. I don't know if it's just expired or what, but I'm not a fan of that scent, so I'm gonna... Ooh, yeah, that's gross. I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay, another travel setting spray. This one sounds like it is almost empty. I'm gonna put that in the empties pile. I have a dermalogical hand and nail treatment. I will never use this. I never use hand creams. Don't know why I even kept that. Another soy face cleanser. Okay. Tea Tree Skin Clearing Lotion by The Body Shop. I used to use this when I had acne, so this is super old, but this is from The Body Shop, the Tea Tree line. This is like, yeah, this is pretty empty, so I'm gonna put that in the empties pile. And then the Origins Gel Moisturizer. This is a more recent sample, so I'm gonna keep this one. Marula Daily Moisture Mist. I don't think I've tried this yet. It's like a hair sample, deluxe sample. See how it smells. It smells pretty good. I'll try it. Clarisonic Activator Serum. Don't need that. This body lotion I probably won't finish off, especially since I just bought a new one. This is the Ulta brand Freshwater Mist, so I'm gonna donate that one. It smells good though. This is the Mannequin Styling Paste. I'm gonna keep this and give it to my boyfriend. He might like that for his hair. Living Proof 5-in-1. I'm gonna keep that sample. It's a good one. Philosophy Purity, also use that one. Acne Solutions Clearing Gel, won't use that. Sephora Express Eye Makeup Remover Wipe. Ooh, wipes. Let me try those. This is a Dr. Jar BB. Okay, this is also like, I think, evaporated in here. This was the BB Beauty Balm, which I already reviewed. A hand sanitizer. Does hand sanitizer expire or no? Because it's just like alcohol. I don't know, but this one looks fairly new maybe, so I'm gonna keep that one in there. I usually always bring hand sanitizer when I'm traveling, but I usually put it in my carry-on bag. We have a Dr. Dennis Gross Peel This I feel like I've had for a long time. Another of the Argan Oil Milk by Josie Marin. And a razor which looks pretty old, not sure if that's been used or not. I'll figure that out. That was pretty good. This is everything. I'm gonna put actually these back in here because this is the one I'm gonna use. Okay, so this is everything I'm keeping. So much better. It all fits in the one little tiny container. I can see everything. I feel like this I can realistically get through, and I'll actually use these for traveling, and now I don't have like 5 million things to choose from. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick declutter. If you want to see more declutters, I have lots of things to continue to declutter, so let me know down below. But I have a couple other more recent ones, the bronzer blush highlight declutter and an eyeshadow palette declutter, so I'll link those down below. But I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.